I was scrolling through Twitter, making the most of this social platform before it gets driven to the ground by Elon Musk, and I found the most puzzling tweet of all time. Basically saying, check it out, I'm releasing my game on Steam, okay, good old games, sure, and torrents, pirate version. What? But you heard that right, this developer is putting his own game on piracy websites. At first I assumed it was some sort of demo or gimmick version. Lots of developers have released pirate copies of their games before with hidden features designed to punish players. You've probably seen like Game Dev Tycoon forcing your in-game business to close down due to piracy. Truly some of the greatest irony in contemporary art. But in a reply to his tweet, the developer emphasizes that there are no strings attached. He is making the entire game available for free, and even with some extra cosmetics exclusive to the pirated version. Which is not something I've seen before, ever, probably for obvious reasons. But here's the thing, it proved to be a pretty great marketing move, which the developer revealed was intentional. When asked why he's doing this, his logic was basically that people are going to pirate it anyway, so why not use it as a PR opportunity? And it definitely worked. The game's announcement on Twitter got a lot of attention for this bizarre move, and a lot of people are showing support for the developer's generosity. Huge respect for the dev for this consumer-friendly move. Wishlisted. So apparently encouraging piracy will get you more sales. Next thing you know, we're gonna find out hell has frozen over. Thanks for listening, and subscribe so we can beat this weirdo.